Biden accidentally said something that's true, and that put Psaki in quite the bind. Join me now to weigh in, representing Georgia's 1st Congressional District, Congressman Buddy Carter. Congressman, thank you so much for joining me. Congressman, a lot to get through based on my introduction. But first, let's start off with Biden touting his $1.5 trillion budget deficit reduction. He's parading around like he's some sort of fiscal hawk, but it's not the whole story.
No, it's not the whole story at all. In fact, if you look at the budget that Biden has proposed for the next fiscal year, you'll see that it is deficit spending over $1 trillion a year. Not only that, but over the next 10 years, it'll be $14.4 trillion in deficit spending. He would add to the already $30 trillion debt that we have another $16 trillion. It's ridiculous for him to even think that he is fiscally responsible or fiscally conservative is ludicrous.
I know. I mean, I was like laughing, but obviously, like, I'm sad because we want our country to succeed. We want our president to succeed. But it's just such a joke, and he's almost thinking like the American people are stupid that we're not onto him. And you're right. I mean, think of all of the spending that's happened just in the past year. I mean, he is the spender in chief, and the Democrat Party has never met like $1 trillion bill they didn't like.
Well, that's exactly right. And, you know, it's always been the case with the Democrats is that if there's a problem, you throw money at it. And the more money you throw at it, the more you care. That's their idea. That's their whole philosophy there. And what has it resulted in? It's resulted in what we see now in the enormous debt that we've got, the inflation that is happening now that we're suffering from, that is impacting mostly the working class and the middle class. Keep in mind, inflation is nothing more than a tax. And who does it hurt the most? The working class and the middle class.
Exactly. Now, I wanted to shift gears here and talk about this, the egregious breach of trust that happened with the leaked documents from the Supreme Court. Obviously, we've seen the Democrats, the leftists, they're all out there protesting over the potential decision that might be made by the Supreme Court in regards to abortion laws. But my question is, like, why are they so upset? All this would do is bring it back to the state and bring it back to the voters.
Which is where it should be. We shouldn't have unelected judges making these type of decisions. It ought to be at the state level. It ought to be at the constituent level, at the citizen level. That's where this decision should be made. Look, let's face it. Roe versus Wade is outdated. We have had we've had so much intellectual progress that has been made that has taught us about the unborn child and the humanity of the unborn child. We know now that at 6 weeks we can expect a heartbeat. We know now at 15 weeks that we see nose, eyes, eye sockets, sucking of the thumb, and most importantly, we know that an unborn child can experience unexcruciating pain. And that is something that we know now that we didn't know then. That's why Roe versus Wade is outdated. That's why I applaud the Supreme Court for what they've done. And putting it back to the states and to the citizens, that's where it needs to go back to.
Definitely. Now, let's take a look at Senator Elizabeth Warren. She's losing her mind over the leak and what could potentially happen with Roe v. Wade. So we'll look at it and react after. Roll tape.
I am angry.
Angry and upset?
Angry and upset and determined. Angry for decades now, and we are going to fight back.
I've never seen you so angry.
I am angry. This is what the Republicans have been working toward this day for decades.
So you see the passion, the shrieking, the screaming. I mean, I wish she had that passion when it came to securing our nation's borders, to tackling inflation, our gas prices, and things that matter to the average American. And also, too, you always have to wonder, why is it for Democrats and for leftists, the most important issue for them always is like having the right to kill a baby in the womb?
It's unbelievable. But you know, she is correct, and she made a correct statement. The Republicans have been fighting for this for decades, and we have. And that's why this is such a momentous occasion, and which is why this is a victory for life. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. This is a victory for the unborn. We're not talking about a glob of tissue here, folks. We're talking about a baby. We're not talking about a conglomerate of cells. We're talking about a baby. How can we not acknowledge that? It's beyond me.
Yeah, and also too, what I'm really bothered about is the folks on the left who are screeching and screaming over the Roe v. Wade potential decision. They're not even really upset about this leak from the Supreme Court. We've never seen anything like that. It's unprecedented, and it shouldn't be happening. And clearly, there's an investigation that's underway, but they need to get to the bottom of who did this and fast.
Oh, absolutely. We cannot have our Supreme Court opinions being made under intimidation and threats. That's not going to be a good outcome for anyone here. Yes, this is, I think, one of the worst things that has happened with the Supreme Court in years. This leakage of this potential opinion, and it looks like it is an accurate opinion, but I will tell you, we have to have an investigation, and those who are responsible for this have to be brought to justice.
And then it's kind of hard to wrap your mind about how this even got leaked if you look at those who describe the protocols that happened there and how anyone would even have access to leaking that draft.
It is baffling as to how this could have happened. It's disappointing. But again, we've got to get to the bottom of it. We cannot allow this to happen. We cannot have the Supreme Court operating under intimidation and threats.
Yeah, I wanted to play another clip for you. It's White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki. She was asked about why the White House is commenting on a leaked draft memo when in the past they refused to comment on leaked material. So let's look at that roll tape.
Why did you guys say anything about the leaked draft memo at the Supreme Court?
How do you mean?
Well, in the past, you have declined to comment on leaked materials. So why now?
So yeah, exactly. Why now?
Well, that's a good question, and it's a question that I think deserves an answer. I doubt we're going to get one, at least not a legitimate one. But obviously, this did not go the way that they wanted it to go. I'm sure that they are just delighted that we've got a controversy that can deflect away from the true intent here and the true meaning of what has happened, and that is that this is a victory for life. This is a victory for the unborn.
So well said. Well, Congressman, we got to leave it here. We appreciate you. Thank you.